Welcome everybody to the CBC show. I am with David. David, thank you so much for joining us today. You work closely with law firms and clients, so I would like to bring your real world legal perspective into this conversation. A lot of attorneys are hearing about AI, but the question is still very practical. How can this actually help a law firm day to day? David, before we talk about AI, what are the daily bottlenecks inside a law firm that slow the team down the most?
Sure, thank you, Mustafa. A lot of the slowdown comes from the repetitive but important work. Staff are answering calls, following up with clients, checking calendars, collecting documents, reviewing emails, and trying to keep track of case updates. None of those things can be ignored, but they take time away from higher value legal work.
Great. I think that's a very good feedback. So, our one legal mind agent we are showing today is a matter summary agent. It can review notes, emails, documents, and case activity that then create a quick summary of what is happening in a matter. From an attorney's perspective, how valuable would it be to quickly understand a case without digging through every email and document?
Sure, that would be very valuable. Attorneys often need to get up to speed quickly before a call, meeting, hearing, or internal discussion. If an AI agent can summarize the key facts, recent activity, pending tasks, and important risks, that can save a lot of time. The attorney still needs to review and apply judgment, but a good summary can make the process much faster.
That's a very good answer. Thank you so much. So another legal mind use case is a daily firm briefing agent. Every morning, it can tell the attorney what changed, which client need attention, what deadlines are coming up, and which matters may be at risk. Would that kind of daily briefing helps attorney and firm owners manage the day-to-day?
Absolutely. Law firms are busy, and important items can get buried in email or scattered across different systems. A daily briefing would help attorneys start the day with a clearer picture. It can highlight urgent matters, deadlines, client follow-ups, unpaid invoices, and tasks that need attention. That kind of visibility is very useful.
Thank you so much. Legal Mind can also support a case research agent that helps attorneys organize, research, identify relevant issues, and prepare an initial research direction. Where do you think AI can help with legal research, and where should the attorney remain in control?
This is a really important and relevant issue. AI can help with the first layer of research. It can organize facts, surface possible issues, find related authorities, and help create a starting point. But the attorney must remain in control of the legal strategy, final interpretation of the law, and any advice given to the client. AI should assist the research process, not replace legal judgment.
That's great. A lot of firm activity happens through email. Legal Mind can help with email triage, where it reads incoming messages, identifies which matter they relate to, flags urgent items, and suggests next actions. How much value would a law firm get from better email organization?
A lot. Email can become overwhelming very quickly. Important client updates, court notices, opposing counsel messages, and internal tasks can all get mixed together. If AI can help organize emails by matter, urgency, and required action, that can reduce missed items and help the team respond faster.
Great, great. One of the biggest pain points we hear is that clients keep asking, what is happening with my case? Nora can help with voice or text communication, while Legal Mind can help understand the matter context before an update goes out.
Sure.
How important is it for client updates to be both fast and accurate?
Clients want immediate feedback on their cases, so it's very important. Timely updates that are accurate matter just as much. A fast update that is wrong creates risk. The ideal system would use matter context, provide a clear status, and escalate anything sensitive to the attorney or staff before it goes to the client. That balance is important.
That's really good. Finally, for many matters, clients are asked to provide documents, but they forget, send incomplete files, or send the wrong items. Legal Mind can help identify what is missing, while Nora can follow up with the client. Would this type of agent reduce staff workload?
Certainly. Document collection can take a lot of back and forth. Staff may need to remind clients multiple times, confirm what was received, and organize the files. If AI can identify missing documents and automatically follow up in a professional way, That can save time and reduce delays.
Great, awesome. And when using Legal Mind or Nora, attorneys will still care about confidentiality, accuracy, and control. What would you want to see before trusting AI inside a law firm?
This is probably the most asked question by attorneys implementing AI. I would want clear guardrails. The system should know what it is allowed to do and what must be reviewed by a human. It should protect confidential information, keep records of activity, and avoid giving legal advice directly to clients without attorney oversight. Trust comes from control, transparency, and review.
Thank you so much. If a law firm wants to start with AI, would you recommend starting with communication agents like Nora, knowledge agents like Legal Mind, or both of them?
So it depends on the firm's pain point. If the firm is missing calls, losing leads, or struggling with client communication, Nora is a strong place to start. If the firm is struggling with emails, case summaries, research, and internal organization, Legal Mind is a strong starting point. Over time, the real value comes when both work together.
Thank you so much, David, for the valuable feedback. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Appreciate it.
Mustafa.
Appreciate it.